Good afternoon, Wall Street. That's right. You retail traders are Wall Street. Retail traders are the catalysts that control Wall Street. Retail traders are what keeps Wall Street running. We don't talk about that, but we know that the majority of the trades that occur on Wall Street are characterized by trades made by retailers. Over the last 25 years, all of a sudden, the world has become smart. Or at least that's what we believe when it comes to Wall Street. Wall Street's an integral business designed to take what you give it. What does that mean? Don't think for a second because you decided that you wanted to invest $100,000 in the market that there's not somebody on the other side watching. You put that $100,000 into the market. And by the close of the day, there's an infinitesimal ability that you might gain, but there's a huge ocean of opportunity that $100,000 will not be worth what it is at the end of the day. Trust me, when you hear someone say someone wins, someone loses, there is no clear concept of how that occurs than in the United States stock market. That's how it moves. Buying and trading, buying and selling. Someone wins at a higher price, someone loses at a higher price. Well, we've even gotten a little bit more sophisticated. We've used the reverse system for that process, and we're shorting as well. Not too many successful people in the short trade because it's kind of a quirky concept. It's almost like you're betting against the market. You're betting that Microsoft is not going to go up today, it's headed down. That's a little different for the brain to accept in a market that basically is pushed by the Federal Reserve or the Federal Reserve pandering to the public that the market should go up. Bottom line is markets don't always go up. Today, November 25th, you've got a nice little rally going on. You had a nice little rally going on Friday, as well as Thursday. But believe me, with every little rally, there's always a reverse action. Nothing goes up forever. Santa Claus rally I keep hearing people talk about. We got the Santa Claus rally weeks ago. You're getting the rest of it now. Come December, Thanksgiving's over. Hopefully you got a nice, comfortable piece of turkey. Don't really watch football, but if that's your thing, expect a different market. All that money that's being placed into the market right now is being watched carefully. I can tell you because I've been selling Warren Buffett is selling. Wall Street is selling. But it's being done clandestinely under the radar in what you call patches. In other words, I sold 500,000 shares of a specific company because I had a profit of like maybe 80%. That profit has been running ever since there was an administration change almost 4 years ago when it crashed to unbelievable results. So that meant I had to sit on that because that particular investment was so critical to my portfolio. I had to sit on it for almost 4 years. Of course, I took the 80% profit. But I also wise up because you only are going to get what you deserve out of the market. When it did crash almost 4 years ago, I was comfortable enough to buy more shares. So those more shares, I took the profit. The original profit, the original principle is still there. I took the profit on the new shares that basically were building for almost 4 years. And I'm going to be taking the profit on the current shares. Just waiting for the froth in the market to die down just an inch. Because we finally did get profitability after 4 years. We all of a sudden started to see some confidence in the market after the election. It was building towards a goal for a different purpose. That purpose failed. The market celebrated. It became euphoric. And it decided we're going to keep this going, but higher. And that's what you're experiencing right now. That market is going to the moon at the current status. But you have to be smart. You have to be clever. You have to realize it all comes crashing down. Use your stops. Use intelligence as you move through the market for the next 30 to 60 days. Watch your positions. Understand your positions. And be prepared to react. That's it for this episode of Wall Street. Caveat emptor. I'm not giving you any financial advice. So this is my notice to you. Don't listen to what I tell you. This is for entertainment purposes only. Enjoy your messaging.